Hello grade 4, how are you? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to start a new unit. It's unit 3. The title of my unit يعني العنوان الunit هذه is multiplication of 2 or 3 digit numbers. So please all of you put your books in front of you, and I hope all of you have it, and your notebook maybe we are going to use it, okay? Again, the title of my unit, multiplication of 2 or 3 digit numbers, and this is the first lesson in my unit, multiplying tens and hundreds by 1 digit factor. Now, what is my objective? Every time you should have an objective for your lesson. Objective means هدفك. إيش أنت بدك تتعلم في هذا الدرس. In this lesson, we are going to multiply tens and hundreds by 1 digit factor. Let's go to our the first example. They said example 1. Nader has 9 boxes. He has 3 boxes contain 1 marble each. Another kind, 3 boxes contain 10 marbles each, and 3 boxes contain 100 marbles each. So Nader has 9 boxes, 9 kind of boxes. Each 3 are the same kind, okay? In each box for the first kind, he has 1 marble inside. In the second kind, he has in each box 10 marbles. In the third kind, he has 100 marble in each box. They want to know how much in all Nader has. You will go first to the first kind. He has 3 boxes. In each time, he has 3 boxes. The first kind, he has in each one box. So instead of saying 1 plus 1 plus 1, I will write a multiplication sentence 3 times 1. The second kind, he has in each box 10, and in all they are 3. So we are going to say 3 times 10 to know how much in all together. The third kind, he has 100. So to know how many in all, you need to multiply 3 by 100. If you have a question like that, you should go to the basic fact. Basic fact means what are the numbers? Don't look at the zeros. 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1. In the first sentence, 3 by 1, and this one only it's 1 digit, so the answer is 3. In this one, 3 times 1, the answer is 3. Then I will drop the 0, so my number will be 30. The third kind of boxes he has, you are going to multiply 3 by 1, also 3, but you are going to drop 2 zeros, so the answer is 300. Now, to know how many in all, you need to add these numbers together. 3 plus 30 plus 300. If I add this kind, we call it horizontal. I can put them under each other. 3, 30, 300. No, sorry. I arranged them wrong. Okay. Now I will write, it's a 3. Okay, then 30. It's 3 in the ones, then 30, look how the 30 will come, then 300. Then the ones are under each other, the tens are under each other, there is no hundreds. So now if this will go down, this will go down. Wait, let me arrange the page correctly. Okay. Now, the 0 will go down, then the 3 for the tens, then the 3 for the hundreds. So my number will be, in all they are 330. Okay, 330 what is the unit? Marbles. Now, if you notice the multiplication sentence, I wrote 3 multiplication sentence. First, when you multiply, you should go to the basic fact. Basic fact means take the numbers without the zeros. Find the answer, then drop the zeros. For example, if I have question like that, if I have 4 multiplied by 100, okay, how I will solve this question? The basic fact is 4 by 1. Look at the numbers only. 4 by 1, it's 4. Then you are going to drop 2 zeros, so the answer is 400. If I have, for example, 9 times 1000, okay, the basic fact is 9 multiply 1, 9. Then you are going to drop the 3 zeros. هلا, if you notice, each factor here, it's only 1 digit. يعني 9, it's only 1 digit. But this, it has 4 digits. So my lesson is multiplying tens and hundreds by 1 digit number. This is 1000. I am multiplying this number with 9. 9 is a number that has only one digit in it. Okay? Now, let's go back to our lesson. Okay. And we are going to now, so let's go back to our example. It's Nader has 9 boxes. In each box, in each 3, 1 kind of marbles. In the first one, it's a 3. In the second one, it's 10. In the third one, it's 100. You, as I said, start by finding the basic fact. Li 3 by 1 in each one of them. Do it, then ask the zeros to go down. In all, so Nader has 339 kind of marbles. Now, describe the pattern. Let's do this one. 7 by 1, what is 7 by 1? Yes, it is 7. The basic fact. 7 by 10, go to the basic fact. 7 by 1, it's 7. Then drop the 0, it is 70. 7 by 100, it's 7 by 1, again 7, then drop 2 zeros. Now, do 2 and 3 alone. I will give you 1 minute. Yalla, solve. Yes, correct. 3 by 5, the basic fact is 5 by 3, 15. And each time the basic fact is 5 by 3. You write 15, then drop how many zeros you need. So the pattern is 15, 150, 100, 1,000, 500. Then it will be 15,000 like that. Now, let's go and do number 3. You need to be careful while you are solving number 3 because 6 by 5 is 30. The product of 6 by 5, it has 1 0. So when you go to the second sentence, 6 by 50, you should write 30, the basic fact, then drop the other 0, so the answer will be 300. Because 6 by 5 is 30. So the basic fact is 6 by 5. Then drop the 0, it becomes 300. 6 by 5, it's 30. Drop 2 zeros. So my number will be 3,000. Now, here, they said multiply mentally, explain your method. Yani, you should, what is the meaning of explain my method? It means how you solve it. You are going to go to the basic fact. My basic fact is 6 by 1, 6, drop the 0. 9 by 2, 18, and drop the 0. 5 by 3, 15, and drop the 0. 8 by 5, now this is a little bit confused. 8 by 5 is 40. 40, the product of 5 by 8 is 40. It has 1 0. Then you are going to drop another 2 zeros. So the product will be 4,000. Drop 1 0, and 7 by 8, 56. Drop 2 zeros, and 4 by 2, it's 8. So how I solve, you go to the basic fact, solve it, then drop the zeros you need. Now, let's go to the second page. This page is 15. We finished page 15. I need to go to page 16. In page 16, in page 16, okay, in page 16, they said complete. Complete. Another way to solve, instead of writing 10, 1 with zeros, you can write it as, you can cross the 0 and write 110. Cross the 2 zeros and write hundreds. So if I have this question, 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by if I had, okay, if I had 8 by 110, the basic fact is 8 by 1. What is the product? 8. Then you write beside it tens. You have 8 tens. Instead of writing the tens across the tens, you are going to put what? 0. So the answer is what? It will be 80. So my answer will be 80. Now we are going to continue the same way. For example, I am solving 5 by 9. Okay, 5 by 9, but they wrote beside the 9 tens. 5 by 10 by 9, it's 45. It is 45 tens. So you are going to write 45 tens. Cross the tens. In the second box, what you are going to do, you are going to write 450. Okay? Because you cross the tens. Now, 9 by 3 tens. How much? The basic fact is 9 by 3. It is 27. 27 what? Tens. Cross the tens. You need to give the product 1 0 instead of the tens. So my number will be 270. Okay? Now, 5 by 7. The basic fact is 5 by 7. The answer is 35. 35 what? Tens. If I cross the tens, I need to give my product a 0. So my number will be 350. Okay? Now, let's go back to our way how we solve without writing the tens. If I multiply 9 by 1, the basic fact is 9. But if it is by tens, you are going to write the basic fact 9, put 0. 9 with 2 zeros, so it will be 900. Again, we are going to do 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is 18. By tens, you are going to drop another 0. By 300, you are going to drop 2 zeros and put the comma. So my pattern start with 18, then 180, then 1,800. This one, it's a little bit confused. Take care, because when I multiply 2 by 5, the whole basic fact, it is 10. Now, if it is 2 by 50, okay, 10 is the basic fact and drop 0. So my number will be the product will be 100. Now 2 multiplied by 500, you are going to write 10, the basic fact. Then you are going to draw 2 zeros. So my number will be 1,000. Okay? Now I will give you this. You need to solve it. I will give you 2 minutes. Yalla, do it. From 1 until number 12. Now, do from number 1 until number 12. Okay? Yalla, alone. It's very easy. Go to the basic fact, write the product for the basic fact, then drop how many zeros you need. Yes, finish. Okay. 1 by 3, 3, basic fact, 30. 6 by 6, 36 with 2 zeros. And I should put comma. So my number will be, the product will be 3,600. 3 by 1 is 3, drop 2 zeros, it's 300. 3 by 2, it is 6, and drop these 2 zeros, so the product will be 600. Now, this one, 2 by 40, 2 by 40, the basic fact is 2 by 4, 8, and drop this 0, 80. 6 by 8, how much? Yes, you are correct, it's 48, the basic fact. And then drop 2 zeros and put comma to help you how to read. So the product is 4,800. We call the 4 factor, we call the 100 factor. And the answer I am writing here, we call it product. 4 by 1, 4 with 2 zeros. 7 by 8, 56 with 2 zeros. Put comma. Now, 4 by 7, it's a 28, put 1 zero. So 280. 81 for the basic fact and with 2 zeros. So the product is 8,100. 7 by 6 is 42. Drop 1 zero. 3 by 3 is 9. We drop 2 zeros. Okay? Grade 4, this will be a homework for you. I will do for you number 1 and 2. They said review يعني مراجعة. They put for you 70 plus 80. Look how they align the digit under each other, the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens. The 0 will go down. 7 by 8, how much? 15. Now, if I have here, it's 70 and plus 80. I will continue the pattern. 1, 2, 3. They said it becomes 700. وهون 500. So you will add 7 by 7 plus 5, 12. Drop 2 zeros. So my, because I am adding, we call the answer sum. So the sum is for 700 plus 500, the sum is 1,200. If I have 800 minus 200, 8 minus 2 is 6, and drop the 2 zeros. Now, if I have 100 minus 60, it is as if it is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, it's 4, and drop the 0. The last question, it's not clear for you. It is 320 minus 400. Drop the 0 for the ones, drop the 2 for the tens, then 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. You need, before solving these questions, to notice what is the sign, okay? Because they are making for you, sometimes they are adding, sometimes they are what? Subtracting. When you subtract the answer, we call it what? Difference. If I am adding, the answer you get, we call it sum. Okay? Do for me question 6, 7, 8. Look at the sign before the operation here, plus, but this one is minus. Okay? Only do this number 6, 7, 8, page 16 as a homework for you, grade 4 only. I hope all of you are well and stay safe. I hope next time all of you have your books. Until we meet, bye-bye.